G'day everybody and welcome back to the channel and the very first episode of 101 Week. Have you ever found yourself yearning to acquire a new skill or hobby? To embark on a journey of creativity and craftsmanship? To learn a new skill just so you can impress your friends by casually dropping information into conversation so you can seem like a master of random knowledge? Hi, my name's Tim and welcome to my channel. I'm excited to bring you a brand new series of short informative videos where we're going to be covering a wide variety of different DIY topics. I hope these videos will find you inspired to try new techniques. Each day of the week I'll be focusing on a different topic and breaking it down into the very basics. We'll be covering everything from blacksmithing to fabrication, sheet metal work, engineering, and technical drawing, leather work, woodwork, and who knows, maybe in the future I might actually touch on a little bit of machining and fitting when I actually know a little bit more. Now, I may not be an expert, but I'm an expert in pretending that I know what I'm doing. And there's a lot of different ways that you can do a lot of different things. So these videos are just simply meant to show you how I do things. And for the most part, it works. Hopefully, watching me develop my skills, you will help develop your own. As for me, this video series is going to be more of a reference tool that I can go back to because I have a tendency to forget what I've learnt in TAFE. So subscribe and join me every day for the next week where we'll be diving into the world of DIY. And until then, remember to stay safe, happy crafting, and as always, cheers.